Hi guys, today I'm doing Adrenalyn XL Premier League 22-23 season. It's the album. Comes with one limited edition, one golden baller, one online coin. Inside you get 3 packs, 24-page game guide and checklist, 2 player game board, A2 poster, mega starter pack binder. Quite thick. It costs €7.99 or €7.99. There's some of the cards you can see. We've got Casper Schmeichel, Lewis Dunk, Kevin, can't see that, Phillips. I think that's for every limited edition Trenters. And we've got 5 single packs and the kick-off multi-pack to do as well for this video. We might get quite a bit. It'd be good if we get a couple of golden ballers. Let's get into this. Okay, there's a golden baller. Look at the left edition, because we've already got Elon Haaland twice now, because we've got one in this and one in the other one we did. Then we've got the coin card if you're doing the app. So I might actually do the app now, I'm not sure. And we've got 3 normal packs, which has no barcodes or no odds. If you look on these, I'll show you the odds. There's 466 to collect. Put them to one side with that. Let's look at the binder. There's the game guide. Should we go for the game guide first, I think? Okay. Game guide. I think we should know how to do this if you've been playing it for long enough. Okay, these are the base, there's 318. Bonus cards are 41. Super stoppers are 9. Then defensive steel is only 9. Midfield masters are 9. Then there's 9 diamonds. Then there's 5 fire and 4 ice. Electric pace is 6 and top finishes are 6. Adrenaline rush is 6. And these we could do when you pre-ordered the box. You could pick one and you get a lot as well, pressure. Leaders are 9. Titans of 9, world class are 17, and there's the golden ballers. Which one are we going to get in this one? It's a nice pack for the golden ballers. You could get Smith Rowe, Philip Coutinho, Kai Havertz, Luis Diaz, Jack Grealish, Jordan Sancho, Heeman Son, and I don't know him. That's it. And all the invincible. That's how many special cards per team. 1 golden baller for Chelsea, 1 golden baller for Aston Villa, 1 golden baller for Liverpool, 1 for Man City, 1 for Man U, 1 for Tottenham and 1 for West Ham. Here's all the products. We definitely will be doing quite a bit of these because there's legends now, and you can get signed legends, pretty sure. We might not do the calendar unless I get 2 calendars, one open Christmas every time, one for the channel. And you get 1 guaranteed edition card and 1 random one. And there's the classic tins and the pocket tins. Don't see how much they are, I don't think. Well, the multi-packs are $5.99, it says there. No, it doesn't say. Aha, this is good news. We can find out. See, that's one of the legends for Tottenham. So these are the legends there. The multi-packs. The one we've got, just got that one did. Pocket tins. And the plus, it says classic tin. Catman calendar. Strike It. Match magazine. Cake magazine and online bundles, which we could get. Depends on how much they're going to be. Might get one. Depends. And there's a plus and let's say one now. Let's look through the checklist. On Arsenal for Ramsdale, it has a little thing. I don't think he has one probably. It says, it says just there, that little bit there. It says here, coming soon in Star signing set. These are the others. Got Man City, Man U, Newcastle, Tottenham. No, Nottingham Forest, Southampton, Tottenham, West Ham and Wolves. I've got Super Stoppers, Fire, Leaders, Ice. Titans, Defensive, Steel, Ice, Electric Pace, World Class, Top Finishers, Adrenalyn Rush, Midfield Midfield Masters, Diamonds, Leaders and Trophy. We've already got it. And that's all of it. Some more. The Golden Ballers look cool. Quite a big poster. I won't probably do it this time. You can pick this side, which has got Alanga, not sure, Gillen Haaland, Heeman Son, and I don't know whoever played. Then you've got Trent and a couple of others, which I'm not sure. Put that at the back there, I think. Yep. Let's get into the pack, shall we? The ones we got with the binder. Do a Golden Baller last. Get into the first pack, shall we? We've got Jack Grealish, Harry Kane, Nune Travers. Then we've got Code and Newcastle badge, Miklo Antonio and another one for West Ham, a masterclass, Souček. Jota, Smith Rowe, Allison and Jota again as a Adrenalyn Rush. 2 Liverpools. Regularly gone and Chelsea format 3-4-2-1. Lukaku's not there anymore. He's gone. Can't remember which team now. I think it's AC or Inter Milan. What do you think about Jesse Lingard's gone to Nottingham Forest? I think she's gone to West Ham, not there. Aston Villa badge, and oh, that's who's there then on that binder. Canso and Declan Rice, and the code if anyone wants it. And the golden baller. So this way. Okay, it's a left wing. Heeman's son. Oh, brilliant. What a good pack. Get into 5 of these packs, shall we? Roberto Firmino. Ben Godfrey. Allen. Luke Shaw. Nottingham Forest and Wolves. Wolves badge. And Nottingham Forest. It's been a long time since they've been in the Premier League, hasn't it? Well, he's not there. He's not there. I think he's gone to Barcelona. He's gone to Man City. I think they bought these a bit too late now. Oh, we've got a Titan for Bournemouth. And a Super Stopper. Oh, the ice. Very nice. Thiago. And defensive steel, Liam Copper. That's it. I need 2 more packs to get the golden ball or the invincible. Last time we did a star pack, we actually got an invincible though. They're weird because in other teams it's just normal, and with him it's just there. With them it's better because you can actually see a bit of the movement. With them you can't. Jota and another Titan and a midfield master for Declan Rice. They're £1 a pack if you're going to get any. Mings, Holing, Mepham, with Antonio, leader under electric pace. Very good. Move them to one side and get into this, shall we? I'm not sure if you can actually get any golden ballers in this one though. I think you can, I'm not sure. Quickly looking at it over here, so it's not underway. I'm hitting the camera. Another limited edition. Erling Haaland with Trent in the corner now. Put them there next to Heeman's son. Just going to put them there. Try and get these off now. Mane, Now what? Bayern Munich, pretty sure. Oh. We've got Electric Pace, Kyle Walker, and a midfield master. Chelsea lineup, and that's it. Not doing bad, are we though? Map it. And, oh, 3. Wolves badge, Ice, and Eric Dyer defensive steel, and Leeds lineup. Yeah. Hoiberg. We've got Titan, Hugo Lloris, and a Fire. The Fire looks cool. It reminds me a bit like Doctor Strange. But Allison, and that's it. I put these packs on so hard, but if you open Topps multi-packs, they're easy because they're just loose packs anyway. Ben White, Antonio again, leader, and defensive steel. Tottenham lineup, Granit Xhaka. Not bad bad packs really. Start off the collection. At least we got one golden baller. Number 8. Let's show you how number 8 would go, right? Oh, they're back to front, are they? Are they? I don't know. Here we are. Yeah, back to front. Hey, Heeman, Son's already in. See, I've already printed the checklist off, and then I'll do some bit more about that. Oh, there's little box like that for £99, £9.99. £1 a pack. Another one, or you could go to find out how much they cost. See, if I go to here, I've already started marking some of the ones I've already got. So I printed this off, because if you go to the Panini website, and you can print off the checklist, and then I just marked some of them off I did in the preview packs. Then it gives me a little help next time we do like pack openings. I can mark them off. Bye guys, like, subscribe, and I know you want more. Like you could do like any of these. Like if you say you wanted a multi-pack, I'll do some multi-packs, pocket tins, some classic tins. I could do anything if you just ask. Like I know in one of my videos someone has to do Minecraft cards. I can find some and we'll do it. Just comment down below if you want any cards open and I will do them. If I can find any in the shops, or I'll probably order some offline. Bye guys.